Part 17, Comprehensive Guide to HTML Multimedia. Multimedia elements such as audio and video are vital for modern web design. They enrich user interaction, convey information effectively, and keep visitors engaged. This tutorial delves deeply into embedding, customizing, and optimizing multimedia elements on your website for the best user experience. Understanding multimedia in web development. Multimedia in HTML includes any content involving audio, video, or interactive features. Incorporating these elements can improve user engagement through dynamic content, simplify complex topics with visuals or sound, elevate your site's professional appeal with polished media. Common applications of multimedia: tutorials and explainer videos, podcasts and music streaming, educational or training modules, adding audio with the audio tag. The audio element enables embedding audio tracks into web pages. Its attributes allow customization for better user control. Basic example: audio controls. Source src equals audio file.mp3, type equals audio/mpeg. Your browser does not support the audio element. /audio. Key attributes: controls, adds play, pause, and volume options. Autoplay, automatically plays audio when the page loads. Loop, repeats the audio continuously. Muted, starts audio with the volume set to 0. Advanced example with multiple formats. Audio controls. Source src equals audio file.mp3, type equals audio/mpeg. Source src equals audio file.ogg, type equals audio/ogg. Your browser does not support the audio element. /audio. Providing multiple formats ensures compatibility across browsers. Use cases: embedding podcasts, adding background music, playing narration for stories or guides, embedding videos with the video tag. The video element allows direct video embedding. Like the audio tag, it supports a range of customization options. Basic example: video width equals 600, height equals 400, controls. Source src equals video file.mp4, type equals video/mp4. Your browser does not support the video element. /video. Key attributes: poster, displays a placeholder image before the video plays. Preload, determines if the video should load before playing. Options include auto, metadata, and none. Controls, adds play, pause, volume, and full screen options. Customizing with poster and autoplay. Video width equals 600, height equals 400, controls autoplay, poster equals thumbnail.jpg. Source src equals video file.mp4, type equals video/mp4. Your browser does not support the video element. /video. Providing multiple formats. Video controls. Source src equals video file.mp4, type equals video/mp4. Source src equals video file.webm, type equals video/webm. Source src equals video file.ogg, type equals video/ogg. /video. Use cases: tutorials and demonstrations, product showcases, event recaps or announcements. Embedding YouTube videos responsively. Embedding YouTube videos with iframe provides a quick and versatile way to include external media on your site. Basic example. Iframe width equals 560, height equals 315. SRC equals https://youtube.b/xbpc/moxvm. Frame border equals 0, allow equals autoplay, encrypted media, allow full screen. /iframe. Responsive embedding. For mobile-friendly designs, use a responsive container. div style equals position, relative, padding bottom, 56.25%, height, 0, overflow, hidden. Iframe style equals position, absolute, top, 0, left, 0, width, 100%, height, 100%. SRC equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/video_id. Frame border equals 0, allow full screen. /iframe. /div. Tips for responsiveness. Test the embed on various devices. Use flexible width and height settings. Styling multimedia elements with CSS. You can enhance the visual appeal of audio and video players with CSS. Example CSS styles. Audio, video. Border, 2px solid number 555. Border radius, 10px. Width, 100%. Max width, 600px. Margin, 20px 0. Audio, hover, video, hover. Box shadow, 04px 10px RABA, 0, 0, 0, 0.3. CSS customization tips. Add hover effects to make elements interactive. Adjust border radius for modern, rounded designs. Use max width for responsive layouts. Optimizing multimedia for performance. Best practices. Compress files. Use tools like TinyPNG or Handbrake to minimize file size. Choose lightweight formats. Audio, MP3 or AAC for universal compatibility. Video, MP4 with H.264 codec for best balance of quality and size. Lazy loading. Use JavaScript or HTML loading attribute to load multimedia only when needed. Fallback content. Always provide fallback text for unsupported browsers. Performance benefits. Faster page load times. Improved SEO ranking. Enhanced user retention. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've explored the full scope of HTML multimedia capabilities. Here's a quick recap. Use the .audio tag to embed soundtracks or narrations. Use the video tag to add engaging visuals. Embed responsive YouTube videos with iframe for seamless integration. Style multimedia players with CSS to match your website's design. Optimize multimedia elements for better performance and faster loading. By mastering multimedia integration, you can significantly enhance the interactivity and appeal of your websites. Experiment with these tools and transform your web projects into rich multimedia experiences.